High Wycombe is the home of Hurco's headquarters, and they have a remarkable facility.
The main thing is we've got two major areas. We have the demonstration area here, where we do training. We have attached training rooms, conference rooms that we can split and change as we need. And then the other half is the warehousing, where we bring machines in, prepare them, we train new engineers, we do the odd second-hand refurbishment. Really whatever's needed.
We're here at Fleming Seals and Polymers in Brighouse, and Mark here has got nothing but great things to say about his most recent investment of a Hurco.
Today I'm at ProCut Precision Engineering, and this story is about getting the most spindles in a small area. Today I've travelled to Devon. I'm in a little town called Beer, and I'm not having one, but I may do later. What I've come to do is to explore how you make one of these. This is a track for a model railway. Yes, you've guessed it, I'm at Pico.
Hurco have got a Pro Cobot attached to this VMC right now. Now the Pro Cobots from Hurco is a modular automation system that is plug and play with a single connector, meaning this can be plugged into the machine tool and set up very simply and seamlessly.
This week's open house here at Hurco is the busiest on record. We're going to give you a little teaser to see what we've been up to, but also Dave Waghorn says you're welcome to visit here anytime. We're here at A&M EDM Limited, and we've got a very exciting story to tell you, because it's all about a true engineer who has designed his own product, a road race engine. There's some impressive parts here today, and of course an impressive machine from Hurco. We're going to find out exactly the reason why, Alan, you bought it, but first, CNC Motorsport, what is it that you're making here?
We basically make out of production parts for historic motorsport and race cars from 50s right the way through to the mid-90s. And they're basically either reverse engineered from original components or drawings.
And what materials are you using? It's so different.
Predominantly, most of our products are aluminium, but it ranges from various states of steels, mild steels, through to more slightly exotic with EN24s, that kind of thing.
Tristan, most places we go that have Hurco VM5s, they buy them for two reasons. Firstly, obviously, they're a great reliable machine. But secondly, they've got such a small footprint, haven't they? Now, your machine shop can accommodate quite a few machines, but was that a factor for you as well?
Yeah, we are obviously limited by the space that we have here. VM5 is such a small machine, it's just fantastic to fit in a corner basically. In some parts we need to make on a slightly larger VM1 and other machines, but for the bulk of what we do, it's perfect size.
Now,